Good morning, my name is Miss Samantha and today we have a science project. So our materials for today are going to be cups. I'm going to use plastic cups, but if you have mason jars, any clear cup will work just so you can see through it. We need water, you need paper towels. If they're the bigger ones, I would suggest either cutting them in half. I'm even going to fold these and end up cutting them in half too. And then I'm going to use food coloring. So I have all of our primary colors. I have red, blue, and yellow. So today we're going to be doing an experiment called walking water, which is really exciting and really fun, and I hope you enjoy it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take 3 cups. I'm going to put 1, 2, 3. Can you guys see what shape I'm making? I'll move them back to make sure you can see. So I've kind of put them in a triangle. We're gonna make a circle at the end, but right now they're a little bit in a triangle. I'm gonna pour about 3/4 of the way up water in each of my cups. 1, 2, 3. Good job. So then I'm gonna add maybe about 5 drops of food coloring to each. I'm gonna start with red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're just gonna move it around, make sure there's enough in there. See if we wanna add any more. Just make sure that you have enough color. And however many you add to the first one, we wanna add to all of them. Next, I'm gonna do blue. Same, we're gonna do 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure it gets mixed around. And last, we're gonna do yellow. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's look at our colors and make sure that we think we have enough. So these are our primary colors. Primary colors are all colors that we can use to make another color. So we have red, we have blue, and we have yellow. These are all colors that can't be made using anything else, but we can use them to create other colors. So I have all of them. I think maybe I'll add 1 more drop to each. So 1 more red, 1 more blue, and 1 more yellow. Just because their yellow is a little bit lighter, but I want to make sure that they're all good. So then I have 3 more empty cups. I'm going to place them in the middle of our other cups. So now we're kind of getting our circles. So we're gonna move them around just so that they all fit. And we're gonna leave those empty. We're not gonna add any water. So now you're gonna take your paper towels. So like I said, make sure that they're long enough that they can fit inside. Mine are the pick a size, but my cups are pretty little. So obviously if you have smaller cups or bigger cups, you're gonna want bigger paper towels. These are really tall, so we'll see how these work out and if I need to cut them a little bit. We don't want too much to be up in the air, so we want them to be able to be pretty much in. What you're going to do is you're going to place 1 paper towel into each cup and it's going to lead to the next. So from our red to our empty, from our empty to our blue, from our blue to our empty, from our empty to our yellow, from our yellow to our empty, and from our empty to our red. And we're going to see what happens. So I'm gonna go ahead and start placing my paper towels in. And you can already kind of see what's gonna happen. So I'm gonna start by placing all of the ones that have colors. I even think I'm gonna fold it 1 more. And I'm gonna try and cut off a little bit to help it, so that it's not too long. And it's a little hard for the empty cups, especially if you're using plastic. But once that they're all down, it'll definitely be a lot easier. I'm gonna cut just a little bit off. Remember, if your parents are cutting, you can cut a little bit off. Into my yellow. And then as soon as you put the paper towels in, I want you guys to start thinking about what you see happening. This is one that you're gonna see, it can take a little bit of time to see the full, but you can basically see it the whole time. So then I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna add my next paper towel and just make sure that you can see all of them going into the cups. I'm gonna cut it just a little bit. And like I said, I can already kind of start seeing something happen, but I want to know what you guys see. Let that one drip for a second. And what shape do you see me cutting these into? These are rectangles. Good job. I'm gonna pick this one up and put it in. Okay, so I have paper towels in each of my cups and they're all going around. So they're kind of making a circle with my paper towels, and I'll give you guys a closer up shot too so you can see what I'm doing. So this is gonna be called walking water. We're gonna see what happens when all of the water walks and what happens. So remember, we used 3 primary colors. What is it gonna make in our empty cups, and what is it gonna do? I'm going to include a worksheet with it so you can color in what you see happening, but I can't wait for you guys to explore it and see what's going on. I hope you enjoy it, I hope you have fun, and I can't wait to see your results. Love you, bye.